Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name is Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today with our Brenby Farms SOLTERRA potatoes, we're making an apple, walnut, and blue cheese potato salad. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Dice your SOLTERRA potatoes and place them in a pot. Fill your pot with cold water. Bring the pot to a boil over a medium-high heat. Dice your apples and set them aside. Finely chop some parsley. When your potatoes are fork tender, remove them from the heat and allow them to cool. In a large mixing bowl, combine potatoes with apples, walnuts, crumbled blue cheese, Dijon mustard, chopped parsley, blue cheese dressing, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix thoroughly. Plate your salad and top with walnuts, fresh parsley, and more crumbled blue cheese. Rich, tangy, and sweet, this unique potato salad will always be enthusiastically welcomed. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to tune in for more Brenby Farms SOLTERRA potato recipes. And until next time, keep cooking.